Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix unable to fetch location on Betmgm. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, make sure your location is correct while logging in. By that what I mean is go to Betmgm's website. Once you are on this page, make sure to select the correct location. So if you live in Arizona, click on Arizona, and if you live in Indiana, click on Indiana just like this. Select the corresponding location. If you don't live in any of these, you may have to use VPN. Once you use VPN, select the location. And then log into your account and your problem might have been fixed. If you're still getting the same problem, then check if their server is online or not. If their server is under maintenance, you may get this problem. Even if the server is online, you're still getting the same problem. Then the other fix that you may try is restarting your Wi-Fi and your current device. Even after doing that, if you are still getting the same problem. At last, click on this option where it says Help and Customer Care, and then click on Contact Us. After that, select Email. Now you'll get this form. On this form, you'll have to enter your first name, last name, email address, and your date of birth. After that, click on this drop down and then select geolocation. Now in this box, you'll have to describe your problem. So go ahead and explain your problem. You can type in something like this, and you can also include a screenshot by clicking on this link or just dragging and dropping it here. Once you have done so, click on the submit button and your application will be submitted. Now they will review your application and provide you with a solution. They will contact you through your Gmail, so wait for their response, and once they reply, you can apply the solution and fix your problem. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks.